Alright, 3-box break. We got Bowman Inception, Leaf Trinity, and Panini Elite. 3 different companies, 3 different prospect products. Yeah, buddy. Let's start with Inception. Then we'll do Elite, and then we'll finish with Trinity. Lost everything. Good luck to you all. Luke and Frank. Alright, here we go. We got Barrett Barnes for the Pirates. Barrett Barnes. Pittsburgh Pirates. I can't find him already on the list. First hit of the break. Blind. Chase Pairing, jeez. Also for the Pirates, Alan Hansen. Also for Chase Pairing. Look at that. Already got 2 hits. Killing it. We got a redemption next. Hyunjin Ryu green auto for the Dodgers. Nice. Hyunjin Ryu. Juan Grease and the Doyers. Look at this box. Dylan Bundy for the Orioles. Rookie auto. Ryan Reed Poker. Nice. And for the Dodgers, Jock Peterson autographed jersey. That's also pretty good. A couple nice hits for Juan Grease. And we got a Dylan. That was a good little box right there. Alright, let's see what's up with the E. Mitch Garver, numbered at a 100. Minnesota Twins die cut. And a redemption for Andrew Thurman, franchise futures. Andrew Thurman. I don't know that one off the top of my head. Chris Taylor, Seattle Mariners, number to 390. Yeah, Seattle Mariners. Who them? Lombardi, Nick Lombardi. Astros for Thurman. Thank you. Thurman's going to be Astros. They're falling over here. Stros is LA Kings fan for life. Or Thomas. Boom, Gregory Polanco. Look at the Pirates rolling. Number to 667. Chase Pairing on the card. Gregory Polanco. Adrian De Horta. San Diego Padres and Go Wisconsin football on the board. Adrian De Horta. Who is that? I don't know, he's a pitcher. Sounds Hispanic. Night, Adam. Jace Boyd. New York Mets. Number to 299. Jace Boyd. 111 of 299. Mets is Bama 2014. We got a die cut. Ryan Aper. Number to 300 for the Marlins. Non-auto. Tyler Wade for the Yankees, numbered to 699. Yankees. Vikings fan 77. Paul. Frank Tony. Tyler Garrison, New York Yankees, 639. Tyler Garrison, again, Vikings fan, back to back. There's going to be your USA jersey. Uh-oh. That's some stuff. Bloodlines. Oh, Jim Abbott insert. Chase Strumpf. 15 and under USA jersey. Chase Strumpf. Future PEDs. And a redemption. Roger Clemens right here. David Garner. Franchise Futures. David Garner. Pulled that one a few times, and I still don't remember what team he's on. Semi-hot box, 8 autos you call? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 autos. Oh, 8 autos, yep. 6 live and 2 redemptions. Garn, with no D. Cubs. Thank you, Chris. Cubs, David Garner. That is Rob F. Jr.'s got Cubbies. Alright, here we go. Trinity. Last box. Alright, we got Sean Manaea, numbered 1 out of 60 for the Royals. Pure. 1 of 60. Bama 2014. Nice. For the Minnesota Twins, Jumbo Patch Auto, Miguel Sano. Miguel Sano, Twins. Numbered. Nice. Lombardi, Nick Lombardi, go figure. Go figure. Eduardo Rodriguez, numbered to 60, 13 out of 60 for the Orioles. Eduardo Rodriguez, 13 to 60. Ryan Reed Poker, second hit with the Orioles. We got Trey Ball, Jumbo Patch Auto Gold, numbered to 10 for the Red Sox. Colts Fever. Trey Ball, Patch Auto, to 10. And a Juan de Juan, Nick Chufo. Juan de Juan. Tampa Bay Rays. Tampa Bay Rays. Dan O'Mess, 24, has got Rays. That's it for the break. We'll hit the randomizer 3 more times, and the top team that does not have a hit will get USNA guy right here. Actually, I don't have it ready. We'll have to do it in a minute. I already got rid of the team draw. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for joining, guys. All right, peace.